Hello, so today I'm going to show you how I changed my BMW F30 brakes. I do have to mention before you do, yes, I know I should have worn gloves. So, first things first, I jacked up the car, put it on axles, and I removed the lug nuts. Once you've taken off the wheel, it's time to remove the brake mounting clip. To do this, I used a pry tool and pushed it against the disc, and it popped out. However, as you will see, it's a little bit feisty, so be careful of your fingers. At the back of the caliper, you'll see me, hello, and two dust boots. Once they've been removed, they look like this. Now that the dust boots have been removed, let's get them sliding pins out. 8mm hex is what's needed for that. I'll take this time just to tell you I am not a mechanic, I'm a DIYer, so duplicating what I do is at your own risk. Time to get that caliper off. Don't be fooled, it did not come out so easy. I would recommend swearing at it and giving it a wiggle. To undo the brake sensor, just use a small screwdriver and pull it out. Tap out the brake pad and let's put that up and out of the way. Do not leave that hanging. The wind back tool. C-clamps, water pipes, man strength, special BMW caliper wind back tools. I've watched them all. I just used a universal wind back tool from Halfords and it worked well enough for me. One of the most important things to do is cleaning. For this job I used a wire brush and some elbow grease. After doing this job I then upgraded to a wire wheel brush drill set just to save a bit of time, but both techniques work fine. If you got this far into the video whilst you're waiting for me to clean the mounting bracket and caliper, please drop a like and a subscribe. I would appreciate that more than you would ever know. This job is extremely dusty, so make sure you've got a mask and some glasses. Now it's time for the assembly of the brake pads. I used copper grease for the brake pad shims, and for the sliding pins I used Permatex blue, although I must have got distracted and forgot to record the lubrication of the pins, so I apologise. Once you've done the shims like so, place it onto the mounting bracket and repeat with the pad on the caliper. Pop it back into place. It can be a bit fiddly. The best thing about editing videos is I can make it look really easy. Talking of easy, putting the sensor back was just that. You can replace it whilst you're there, but my pads were not really worn, so I reused it and not had any issues. If you're happy, then let's put the caliper back onto the holding bracket, and we're just going to put the mounting clip back on. Again, this video makes it look easier than it is. Don't be surprised if you're there for the next 10 minutes questioning yourself, is this really for you? Do make sure it's fitted correctly, and once you're happy with it, it's time for the next step. Like I mentioned, make sure you grease the sliding pins, it will prevent any squeaks. Let's now tighten the pins. £28Nm is a torque spec for the sliding pins. I do love to talk. Pop the brake wear sensor back under the nipple cover, or in my case, massage it in. Dust boots for the top and the bottom. Time to put the wheel back on. It looks like I only used 2 lug nuts. I can assure you I didn't, but I already bored you on doing 5 of them, so I thought I'd give you a little bit of a break. Once the car's on the ground, tighten them properly and torque them to 140 Newton meters. Thank you all so much for watching, and I hope this helps you with something. Drive safe, work safe, and take care. Peace out!